Hi friends, welcome back. So the goal of today's video is to provide you with easy organization tips that will not only save you time but will also keep more money in your pocket. And the best part, they just take few minutes to put into action. So are you ready? Let's get started. By keeping cables and chargers organized and visible, you'll always know what you have and avoid buying more than necessary. In a typical household, you'll find several types of chargers, all designed to power different electronic devices. Some of the most common ones are easier to recognize, but then there are many others which do need labeling because otherwise they get all mixed up and you end up buying a second charger of what you already had at home. By labeling the chargers, you will avoid the confusion between functional and non-functional cables, ensuring you don't mistakenly buy new ones. You can organize the not so frequently used ones in a pouch and use a basket for the ones that are used more frequently. You can use cushion covers or pillow covers to wash socks or small clothing in the washing machine as a DIY alternative to a mesh laundry bag. Here's how you can do it. So all you need is a cushion cover or a pillow cover which has a zip or buttons to secure it, and it can be of a thin material so that the socks get washed properly, and once they are dry, you don't lose any pair of sock as well as you don't spend money on buying laundry mesh bags. The next tip is regarding storing jeans. Most of us, we stack up the pile of jeans in the closet, which causes them to develop permanent creases which are hard to remove even while ironing. In my previous video, I had shared with you how you can hang trousers or pants by using toilet rolls or paper towel rolls. But this might not apply to the jeans because the material is heavier. Since the material of the jeans is quite thick, even hanging them on the hangers can develop similar creases as well as the hangers get bent because of the weight of the jeans. So here we have a solution. So after you finish ironing those wrinkles, you just need to use a couple of S hooks which are made up of steel. These are sturdy hooks and they can easily take the weight of the jeans, and they are so convenient to hang on the rod of your closet. Let's take a look how we can maintain our handbag and be able to access those small contents which sometimes tend to get lost at the end of the bag. First, we can begin by removing all the contents and cleaning the bag from inside using a lint roller. This is such an effective and easy method of maintaining your handbag clean from inside. You can use small Ziploc bags, which makes it easier to organize essentials, especially things which might cause scratches or damage the bag from inside. You can also keep similar items together as important bills and papers to which you'll have such a quick access if they are kept in different Ziploc bags. So the next tip is regarding storing the luggage bags. Now many times when we want to travel and we need a bag, if it's not been covered, you have to again go through the process of cleaning it all over before you can actually use it. Here is a tip to avoid the cleaning, which is sometimes time consuming. Using trash bags to store your luggage is a very easy, low-cost solution that not only keeps your bags clean and protected, but also in great condition while in storage. And if you plan to store your bags in an open place, then it also protects it from humidity or the sun. Reusing PET bottles means you don't have to buy new containers for various purposes, saving money. Whether it's for storage, DIY projects, or refilling with other food items, reusing them is a simple way to cut down costs. Let's see how we can remove the stubborn stickers which most of the PET bottles come with. All you have to do is fill the kitchen sink with some warm water, add a few drops of dish soap, and submerge the PET bottles in the water, letting them soak for around 10 to 15 minutes. The heat and the soap will loosen the adhesive, making it easier to peel off the sticker. You can see how easily the sticker gets peeled off. And the residue which stays on some of the bottles can be also easily removed using a sponge or a cloth to gently scrub off the remaining residues. Many lentils look similar in color and size, so in order to avoid any confusion, labeling them can help you easily identify each type. The next tip is regarding storing occasionally used footwear. Storing them in a plastic cover is a practical and efficient way to keep them in good condition. So the footwear which is not frequently worn can collect dust if it is left uncovered. You can repurpose the garments bag which sometimes comes with hangers to store these kind of footwear, and it can be conveniently hung inside the closet or behind a door by using a command hook. Repairing loose pot handles before replacing them is a smart, practical decision for several reasons. It's not only cost effective, but it ensures safety because loose pot handles can be dangerous, especially when carrying hot food or liquids. In most cases, repairing a loose handle is quick and simple. You may just need to tighten a screw or use basic tools, making it a convenient option over buying new cookware. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found some of the tips useful. Do let me know in the comment section which was your most favorite tip. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss my new videos every week. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon next week. Bye-bye.